Hey, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF2SS, serial number 1079965. This machine was new in 2010 and we're going to run it for you. This machine has 30 inches of X-axis travel, 16 of Y and 20 of Z, 12,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle, 24 tool ATC side mount. Again, it is a VSS or super speed. Machine also comes equipped with whips, which is wireless intuitive programming system, and we do have the Renishaw part probe. He's running the Z, he's running the X. And the Y. Machine also has a chip auger. Simulating the tool change. Again, that's a 24 ATC side mount. Another one. You can see the Renishaw eye. Right now he's running the spindle. 3,500 RPM. Going up. 6,000 RPM. 85? Yeah. 8,500 RPM. 12,000. 12,000 is the max. It's got a 36 by 14 T-slotted table. And hey, thank you for watching our video.